The task was to make a game using the 3D printer to make characters. We also had to make special dies using the 3D printer too on Tinkercad.
We used this program on the computer called Tinkercad, and then we used the 3D printer to print them, and it prints them out in like little plastic things. It turned out really good. You can basically create anything you want. Once you learn to use the program, it becomes really easy and manageable to use.
It took me about 10 minutes to make it.
I designed these dies. This one took a little while to make because of the holes, but in the end it turned out really good. It looked exactly how we wanted it to look.
Some of the parts was really hard, except you have to like give it like more details to it to make it look really good. Well, on the screen when I designed it, it looked exactly like this, and it's not heavy at all. It weighs in the website Tinkercad. There's all of these shapes that you have to use to create the pieces.
I do think other schools should have a 3D printer because it's good and educational for some areas like measurement, designing, planning.
It's fun to do, and it's good for planning and design, and a very cool thing for technology.
You're also having lots of fun.
Put that on there and put the little dice.
I just move the pieces around.
Well, what is it like when you